In this guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about using the Trading 212 platform for investing. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a way to streamline your investments, this guide covers everything from setting up an account, depositing money, buying stocks, ETFs, and index funds, all the way to selling your stocks and withdrawing your money, and even show you how to earn interest on your cash balances with Trading 212. By the end of this, you'll be ready to get started with investing on Trading 212. Before you can start investing, the first step is to create an account. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward. Simply download the app or visit the website, enter your personal details, and verify your identity. This step may include submitting a form of identification and answering a few security questions, but don't worry, it's all part of making sure your account is secure. The verification process usually takes no more than an hour to complete, so you won't have to wait long. Once your account is set up and your identity has been verified, you'll be ready to fund your account. You can link your bank account or use another payment method, depending on the platform's options. After depositing your initial funds, you're ready to dive into the world of investments. Whether you're interested in stocks, ETFs, or other assets, everything you need will be accessible from your dashboard. The platform will often guide you through the next steps, so you can confidently begin your investment journey. With your account set up and funded, you'll have the flexibility to start building your portfolio and making your first investment choices right away. Before you begin investing, it's important to understand the types of accounts available. On Trading 212, you'll typically encounter two main account options: the Invest account and the CFD, Contract for Difference, account. For long-term stock investments, the Invest account is the ideal choice. It's straightforward, easy to use, and perfect for those who want to buy and hold stocks. The CFD account, on the other hand, is designed for traders who want to trade with leverage, which allows you to borrow money to invest, amplifying both potential profits and risks. This type of account can be more complex and is generally better suited for experienced investors. As a beginner, it's best to stick with the Invest account to avoid unnecessary complications. If you're based in the UK, you might want to consider the option of an ISA, Individual Savings Account, which is a tax-efficient investment option. With an ISA, you can contribute up to £20,000 per year, and the best part is that all your gains are tax-free, which makes it an attractive option for UK-based investors. However, if you're outside the UK or prefer not to use an ISA, the regular Invest account is an excellent choice and offers you full flexibility without tax advantages. Either way, Trading 212 provides you with the tools to start your investment journey with ease. Once your account is all set up, the next step is funding it. To begin, tap on your account balance displayed at the top of your screen. From there, you'll see options for various accounts, such as 212 Invest and 212 CFD. For traditional stock investing, select the 212 Invest account. Next, to deposit funds, simply click on the Deposit Funds option. You'll be presented with several methods to choose from. Personally, I prefer using bank transfers, as they are free of charge and typically process quickly, usually within about 30 minutes. Once your funds are successfully deposited into your Trading 212 account, they will show up as available cash, ready for you to use for investments. But here's an interesting feature to consider before jumping into buying stocks. You can earn up to 5.1% interest on the idle cash in your Trading 212 account. This can be a great way to earn some passive income on money you aren't yet ready to invest. To enable this feature, tap on the three lines in the bottom right corner of the app and select Interest on Cash, Alright, now that your funds are ready, you can start diving into investments. To buy stocks, first click on the search icon at the top of the screen. From here, you'll be able to type in the name of the stock you're interested in. A list of search results will appear, showing various listings of the stock across different markets like the US, UK, Germany, or more. For example, if you're interested in buying shares of Tesla, you might see options for the Nasdaq, US, market or the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, Germany. Make sure you pay attention to the ticker symbol, which is a unique identifier for the stock you're buying. Tesla, for instance, has the ticker symbol Tesla on the Nasdaq, while the Frankfurt listing might have a slightly different code, such as TL5. Once you've chosen the correct listing, click on the Buy button. You'll be presented with two main order types. Market order, this is the simplest and fastest option. You're buying at the current market price, and the transaction will be completed immediately at that price. Limit order, if you're aiming to buy the stock at a specific price, you can set a limit order. For example, if you're aiming to buy Microsoft when it drops to $290 per share, set a limit order at that price. If the stock reaches this value, your order will automatically be executed. For a market order, simply decide how many shares you want to buy or set a dollar amount to invest, then hit Buy to confirm. Your transaction will be processed instantly. Another useful feature is setting up automated investments. If you're looking to invest regularly, Trading 212 allows you to schedule recurring purchases. This is an ideal option for long-term investors who want to build a portfolio steadily over time. You can set up automatic weekly or monthly investments, which is great for maintaining a consistent investment strategy without worrying about timing the market. If you're looking to broaden your investment strategy, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, can be an excellent way to diversify your portfolio. ETFs allow you to invest in a collection of assets, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, without needing to pick individual securities. For example, one popular option is the S&P 500 ETF, which includes a broad selection of the 500 largest publicly traded companies in the United States. By purchasing an ETF that tracks the S&P 500, you essentially buy a small portion of all 500 companies in the index, spreading your risk across multiple sectors and industries. This is a great way to minimize risk while still participating in the overall growth of the market. The process of buying an ETF is straightforward and similar to purchasing individual stocks. First, use the search function to locate the ETF you're interested in. Once you've found the right ETF, tap the Buy button and choose how much you'd like to invest. You can select the amount based on the number of shares or the dollar amount you want to allocate to the ETF. ETFs are ideal for investors who want instant diversification without having to manually select individual stocks. Whether you're new to investing or looking for a low-maintenance strategy, ETFs provide a solid foundation for long-term wealth growth. Many brokers, including Trading 212, also offer fractional shares for ETFs, allowing you to invest smaller amounts without needing the full price of one share. This makes them accessible for investors with a variety of budgets. When you're ready to sell your stocks, the process is just as straightforward as buying them. Start by tapping on the stock you wish to sell in your portfolio. Once you've selected the stock, tap the Sell button. After confirming the details of your sale, tap the Sell button to complete the transaction. The funds from your sale will be transferred into your free funds section, which is where your cash is stored and available for reinvestment. From there, you can either choose to reinvest the funds into other stocks, ETFs, or assets, or you can withdraw the money to your bank account. Selling stocks gives you the flexibility to either cash out or continue investing. Whether you're taking profits or reallocating your portfolio, the process is quick, and it allows you to manage your investments according to your goals. Keep in mind that selling stocks may be subject to capital gains taxes depending on your country's tax regulations, so it's always worth keeping track of your transactions for tax purposes. When you're ready to withdraw your funds, the process is quick and simple. First, tap on the 3 lines located at the bottom right corner of the screen, which will open up the menu. From there, select the Manage Funds option, and then click on Withdraw. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to transfer from your trading account to your bank account. Next, you'll be asked to confirm the withdrawal details, including the amount and the bank account to which the funds will be sent. Depending on the payment method in your bank, the withdrawal may take anywhere from 1 to a few business days to process. It's important to note that some banks or payment methods may have longer processing times, so always keep an eye on your account to confirm the transaction has gone through. If you're withdrawing a large sum, keep in mind that there could be additional verification steps, such as identity confirmation or extra security checks. Once the process is complete, your funds will be back in your bank account, ready to be used for whatever you need. The withdrawal process is seamless, making it easy to access your earnings when you need them. To track your investments, click on the pie chart icon, second from the left. Here you can see how your portfolio is performing, including how much it's gained or lost over time. You can also view the allocation of your portfolio, showing how much you've invested in individual stocks, ETFs, etc.